Interesting kind of. And then there is Samharaka Tandava, which is like, that is a deadly kind of form of Shiva because it just looks like a Nataraja, except that one leg is bent back like he's a footballer or he's just about to kick your ass. You know, one leg is really bent back. You can't even see it. Only in certain, you have to turn the Murti to see. The leg is really bent back to give you a kick. And in his right hand, he is not doing that Abhaya, Abhaya Mudra, do not be afraid. He's got a cobra with the hood out. Samharaka, that is the one that dissolves, that destroys karma. Not for everybody. मेरे पास एक है by the way. Just beside my computer, he's always there. In bronze. इतना खूबसूरत. But if you are not in sadhana, that will finish you. If you are in sadhana, it is the most helpful thing. If you are not in intense yogic process, that will finish you. Because this is what he holds in his hand. There is a snake wrapped around his arm and the cobra with the hood out, and he's dancing. Plus, he's waiting to give you one kick. You can see the leg is up to kick you only. Dissolve the karma, samharaka tandava. Now that I should not have got it. I did not know all those things, but my karma was there. I got that murti, and just by good grace of Nataraja, I am in sadhana, so nothing happened. But it's a deadly dangerous thing. That is about the only form of Nataraja one should really not. One should be very careful about it. And then there is something even more interesting. There is something called the Prachanda Tandava, where he still got that Damru and he still got that fire and everything, except that he is done a handstand. He is on one palm only. He's totally upside down. Again, only one limb is touching. And he's on one palm. This I have seen the martial artist do.
Is there in this Samvedana?
And also he is giving Ashirvad also. But that is the Prachanda Tandava. Prachand is that intensity, Param Sima, no? The height of intensity. It is awesome, but it is not Ananda. So when you need that kind of authority and you need that kind of toughness and you need, that is when that Prachanda Tandava thing comes into it. I spoke about intensity last week, so yeah, it is there. No? Prachanda Tandava, usko Prachanda Tandava कहते हैं. Which is just you just look at that because all the chakras are functioning, but upside down. So can you imagine the level of control needed? Can you imagine the level of intensity and the level of khunnas? That person, I don't care.
So only one limb on the ground is about the flow of energy.
Yes, it's about the flow of energy. Because if you put both limbs down on the ground, the energy that is building up in the body will go. This is dynamic equilibrium. It is not static equilibrium. The balance is found within the whirlpool. The balance is found within the dance. Like Tai Chi, exactly. In Tai Chi, you are never allowed to be stable. You're always, the energy or the weight is always more on one foot than the other, and it keeps shifting, it keeps moving. So this is exactly the same idea. This is exactly the same idea. But this Prachanda Tandava Murti, okay. वो देख के okay. It's my screensaver. It's easily available. Again, it is an easily available. Well, people don't even know that it is a Prachanda Tandava. It's easily available. I saw one in down south, but the cost is a little high. I think some 36,000 bronze. So next time.